how to make money on people per hour with digital marketing. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, people per hour is a platform where you can sell your own skills to people or business owners or clients or whatever who wants those skills. So here guys, in order to create your account and to start selling your skills, click on the freelancer button in your top right. Then you will proceed to creating your account, and here make sure to join or to choose I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email, and then you fill the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. Then you click on sign up. Then you will proceed to creating your profile. For me, I'm going to log in, and you're both going to meet in the profile creation. So here I'm going to enter my email and my password as well, and then click on login. And here you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. And here click on apply now. So here you will need to complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here you will need to enter a profile picture, drop here or browse to add. And when you drop a profile picture, then you'll proceed to add in a job title, for example, award-winning web developer, or you can just go with digital marketing. And here you can enter your skills. So the maximum amount of skills you can enter is 15. So here be precise with your skills and make sure to use this 15 room or this 15 skill wisely. So here we're going to start with digital marketing, and then digital. Let's see what we can find. Let's go with marketing, social media marketing, marketing again. And here just make sure to enter as many as possible, like Instagram marketing, but we've already entered social media marketing. So let's go with email marketing. Let's see what else we can find. Marketing here, advertising marketing, and that's enough. Then you proceed to fill in the about you section. So here you describe yourself to buyers. And guys, in order to enter a very decent bio or a very description for buyers, go to digital marketing category in here, and let's open it in a new tab. And here let's go for the one that you want. As you can see here, popular digital marketing categories. So let's go for content marketing. So yeah, let's choose content marketing. And here what we're going to do basically is just check some of these people's profiles and see how are they talking about their skill, how are they describing themselves. So I'm going to change the category. I'm going to go with, for example, AdSense, or let's go for email marketing. And here let's see what we can find. Let's go and check this man's description. So he gets paid $60 per hour. And here this is his description. I have 8 years of expertise managing Red Hat AWS and email deliverability service for various web applications, PHP, Code Igniter, Laravel, OOP, RAW, WordPress. So he's just talking about all of his experiences, and this is not a very good description. Let's go back. Let's choose another one. Let's choose this one for example. And here, let's see. I have 5 years of experience. So here he is talking about his experience and all of that. And here he's talking about his services, my services field at a glance. So I like that he's organizing it a little bit, even though the description is very long. So this is another not very good example of a description. So let's see if we can find something more organized and more brief that will make clients want to work with us. So guys, just put yourself in a client mindset and see if you're going to hire this man from his description or not. So here we are a UK based registered digital design development and marketing agency. So this is an agency. We want to see the individuals. Let's check this one for example. It keeps popping up and he's a top search. So here, let's check his bio. Nivas, a freelancer digital, a small text talking about himself, his experience, his expertise, accreditations, and some of his other accreditations of his. So this is a pretty well organized description. This one I would hire him for sure. So let's make sure to pay attention to his description and go to your description and try to make something like that. And when you're done with your description, enter your location and your spoken languages. So here, let's enter English first, and then if you are speaking another language, you can add it. For me, I'm going to add Arabic as well and French. And that's not French, that's something else. Here, French, and that's it. And here for your hourly rate, you will do the same like the description. Go check how much everyone is getting paid, what's the average, and all of that. Then you can insert your payment, then click on submit application, and you will get approved. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.